Chief Marcarelli, and he told you this is reckless and irresponsible to do this to this neighborhood or this department. Our staffing is key and important to every neighborhood to have their neighborhood engine respond when they call for medical emergencies, fire, and anything else they call from water emergency extrications. You need your neighborhood fire engine to be there for you. Again, Rick Fontana, stop playing with the citizens' light. Stop, put down your radio. Stop trying to be the chief operations, because you're not. Chief Marcarelli is. Thank you.